Perpetual Income 365 Review. If you're brand new to online marketing and have most of the tools done for you, then my Perpetual Income 365 Review can help you decide whether this is the right method for you. When I first looked at the sales page of Perpetual Income 365, I really didn't understand what it was trying to sell. I just couldn't make sense of it. Both the video and text invitations are insanely lengthy, and the content is barking crazy. It explains something about the micro-commitment consistency compounding algorithm, totally over my head. This system is allegedly co-created by a mystery person, Mr. X, a data scientist who works for Netflix. Frankly, the story is rubbish and some of the testimonials are fake. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Anyway, I decided to get this. I think this product will get you started super easy, which is great. But I also think, where will your business go from there in the long run? Read on, and you can perhaps make your own decision. What is Perpetual Income 365? The Perpetual Income 365 is an affiliate marketing package for newbies. The package includes 2x ready-made squeeze pages of your choice, web hosting of these pages, an email follow-up sequence for 31 days, and a guide to solo ad traffic. Firstly, you are required to sign up with Clickbank, affiliate network, and GetResponse, email marketing service to make it work. Once you've signed up with both, you can connect them to your PI 365 squeeze page at a click of a button. That will be it. You'll be provided with your page URL, which will be ready for you to promote. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. You need to pay for your own traffic. Just like any other, all done for you, systems, how you send traffic is your own responsibility. The PI 365 recommends a few solo ad traffic services, the cost of which varies anywhere between $40 to $100 per 100 visits. When a visitor likes your squeeze page and opts in signs up with you, they'll be immediately directed to PI 365's sales page. If they make a purchase, which will cost them $47, you'll automatically receive 50% of it as a commission. At the same time, they'll automatically start receiving your email campaigns from your GetResponse account, which are already done for you. They'll receive 1 email per day for the next 31 days, or until they unsubscribe otherwise. Perpetual Income 365 Review. The creator, Sean Josiah Sean, is a successful 7-figure affiliate marketer, who generated over $500,000 in sales last year on Clickbank alone. Previously he was co-selling a similar affiliate marketing method, Profit 365, with Jamie Lewis. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. What I like about Perpetual Income 365: Number 1, free email swipes. Writing 31 days worth of email sequence, follow-up emails, is a lot of a job, especially for those who are brand new to email marketing. So this is definitely a time saver. Number 2, ready-made squeeze page integration. Thousands of ready-made squeeze pages may be freely available elsewhere, but the setting up job, linking them to your affiliate pages and your autoresponder, can be daunting for some new starters. PI 365 squeeze pages are the ones that particularly proven to work by Sean, and the setup is all done for you. So this can be a plus. PI 365 squeeze page. Number 3, introduction to solo ad traffic. Although very brief, Sean will explain what solo ad traffic means, and also recommend some sellers. If you previously have no knowledge of it, this can be useful. Number 4, easy dashboard. The menu bar is simple and easy to understand. You just start from top to bottom. 1. Integrations, 2. Money pages, and 3. Traffic crusher, and there's a brief video instruction at each step. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. What I don't like about Perpetual Income 365: Number 1, no flexibility. Almost all are already done for you, so you don't have to learn anything, which equally means there'll be no learning opportunity in the long term. I don't think blindly promoting the same pages the same way is a sustainable way to scale up your affiliate business. You can't keep doing that forever, you see what I mean? The product includes a 25-minute mindset training video by Sean, but you're not going to learn about the whole mechanism unless you are willing to work that out yourself. Number 2, underwhelming. Nothing new. The reason I was particularly interested in Perpetual Income 365 was that it refers to the algorithm used by Netflix, Google, Microsoft, and Apple. The 7-year-old YouTuber who makes $22 million. Unfortunately, neither of them is mentioned in the members area. It turns out that the product is about generating leads using a standard squeeze page and making Clickbank affiliate commissions using solo ads. That's exactly what I was doing 3 years ago, using the exact kind of squeeze pages while I was selling solo ad traffic to others. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Your Perpetual Income 365 user fee, $47 per month. GetResponse monthly fee, Sean says, 100% free, which is not true. GetResponse offers 30 days free trial, then start from $12 per month thereafter. Solo ad traffic, $40 to $100 to generate 20 to 50 leads subscribers. I'll explain it later. The worst case scenario by spending as little as possible will be to pay $47 PI 365 monthly fee, plus $12 GetResponse monthly fee, plus $40 solo ads, equals $99 every month only to generate 20 to 25 subscribers but make no sales and keep losing $99 every month. But the most optimistic scenario by spending as little as possible will be, by paying the same amount, you generate up to 50 subscribers and at least 5 of them buy PI 365. It means you'll receive a 50% commission on $47 times 7 equals $117.50, which will pay off your monthly cost. I think I'm being a little too ambitious, to be honest. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Solo ad traffic. Sean recommends 4x solo ad traffic sources. Udemy, it's a solo ad marketplace, a handy place to use. You'll get responsive leads if you carefully choose a vendor with a good feedback rating. Traffic for Me, trafficforme.com, I've had a bad experience, bad opt-ins and communications. Perhaps you can check some reviews here and make your decision. Wayne Crow, I know him personally. Wayne is a great seller, a great tutor, very helpful. I got very responsive traffic from Wayne in the past. Roy Tay, I've also bought a lot of traffic from him. Great seller. I've mentioned scenarios without spending much earlier, but I feel silly writing it. In all honesty, with solo ad traffic, I don't think you're going very far if you keep spending little, but of course, it really depends on your budget. I can give you some tips if you use Udemy. Free bonuses. 3x bonus ebooks are available to download if you join Perpetual Income 365. They are all general guides and relevant to online business, but a little old. In fact, they're all PLR products, available for free, just Google it. Perpetual Income 365 bonuses start today. Tiny subscriptions, big profits, 17 pages, published in 2016. Income Commander, 63 pages, published in 2012. Recurring Revenue Master Plan, 25 pages, published in 2012. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Upsells Perpetual Asset, $127, allows you to install 5 more squeeze pages. It may be a good option in the future if you decide to keep the membership and try out various different pages. 5 Clicks Profit Activator, $197, enables you to customize your squeeze page, display extra banner, visitors country flag, spots available, display, and track visitors. Email ATM, $297, use Content Fountain, to rewrite email swipes automatically, Spambox Filter, to cloak affiliate links to avoid your email treated as spam, and send a broadcast one-off emails using instant broadcasts. Writing and sending out your own broadcasts without the right knowledge can risk spamming and having your GetResponse account suspended. So I think Email ATM can be useful. $1,000 a day 6-week course. Help and support. There'll be a support email to contact, but they'll only get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. But upon joining PI 365, you'll be advised to join the Facebook group, and it sounds definitely like a better option to receive help and support. There seem to be a very small number of members in the group, so your questions may receive good attention. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. 60-day money-back guarantee. The refund policy set out by the Perpetual Income 365 is unclear for two reasons. The sales page says, if you don't make any cash in 60 days, you can request a refund. No questions asked. But it also says, if you don't make money in the next 60 days after applying what we thought, they'll refund you money, which means they will ask some questions. As mentioned earlier, your purchase will be covered by Clickbank's 60-day refund policy. My final recommendation is to pick Perpetual Income from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.